What's up, everyone? We're here outside chilling. Nice weekend. Gonna crack open this Pixar Cars Mel Dorado. Very cool. So bien padre. Little glasses. Very nice old model car. Very cool. So let's crack it open. Check it out. Don't be playing with the beans, guys.
What's popping?
What's popping? Very nice car. Like them rims. Check it out. This looks cool. Like the paint job. The little glasses there. So this is the older version. Because he didn't have the glasses when he came out, I think. If I'm not mistaken, his character. Very cool. It's a fair weight, but it's very nice. It's a very nice casting, very nice car model. Oh no! Are you guys being careful? Yeah, these guys are playing some game. He's falling he's falling off the scooter. Very cool. Here it is, guys. Slow weekend.
Ready to lose.
Alright, guys. See you in the next one. Bye. Hasta luego.